What's going on, folks? My name is Jeff from Zappos.com, and this is the ReFLX Comp Toe from Georgia Boot. Now, this work shoe is a part of the ReFLX collection and is made with an abrasion-resistant mesh upper. Also notice a thin TPU overlay on the upper, and that's going to add some durability to the shoes. Now, these also come with an Ergo-Fit composite safety toe, and that's specially designed to match the contours of your foot to give you a more comfortable fit, which is always great to have, especially while you're at work. Now, on the inside, you get a removable AMP LT insole, and this, as you can tell, will provide you with plenty of support. This bottom layer is a dual layer of polyurethane to give you plenty of cushioning, and the top layer is made out of a memory foam, so that'll feel great against the foot. It'll just kind of shape to your foot, giving you a custom feeling fit. This also has a cushioned EVA midsole, great for shock absorption, and that's just going to add to the support that this shoe already has. And this all sits on top of this durable EVA rubber outsole, which is chemical, abrasion, slip, and oil resistant. Now, your feet are very important, so make sure you keep them safe with this shoe. It's from Georgia Boot.